to sell to the candidate that, we're your best option. Because we are outsiders, we don't control it beyond that. Okay, so it's really about creating the bond between them. We can facilitate the process. I think recruiters are really facilitators.
That's the point.
And I think that's the point he's trying to make. That look, when people come to you, or even if they don't come to you, the message that has to go through to people is that we are a great career option.
Yeah.
The ITS industry is here to stay. It's not going anywhere. We have growth opportunity for you. We have a lot of, the group is very, very diverse and heterogeneous. So we have roles for all of you. We can grow you across functions and not just vertically. Then it becomes a very viable career option, and that's when even youngsters, and I'm not sure, but I'm not sure how many youngsters today go into college and say that I want to look at analytics as a career option. Incidentally, my son is doing that. Okay, he's looking at analytics as a career option and majoring in applied math and econ. Okay, because he wants to be in that, but he studies in the US. So it's it's a different mindset. So my point is exactly that why can't we build, and that's why I am saying, we have all our convener, co-convener, treasurer, everybody sitting here. I think ERA would be very happy to work with ITS. We can just make this the industry of the year, flavor of the year, whatever.
Again,
focus.
I think we should, there's no one size fit all approach again that will work. We have to understand that there are different skill sets. Some skill sets will require that kind of thinking and change in mindset, and people sort of looking at their as building a career in those areas. In other areas, I think it might and it should remain a short-term career option.
Sure.
Look at these profiles outside of India and how they are, the kind of professionals that come in and work for maybe 6 months, 2 years in this profile.
Correct.
So you can't just say that people who are doing a certain kind of work should look at building, staying there or building their career in that role forever. You have to differentiate between different profiles.
I will have a little different take on this. I think the world outside is a little different. We are a different culture. Okay? That is where what happens here in our context. Even today, when youngsters are not looking at lifelong employment, but they would prefer to join a company which can help them to develop skills in lifelong employability.
Sure.
Okay? So, if we can do that,
Absolutely. No, I agree with you on that. I don't think we are. I think we're on the same page.
Recession-proof career life.
So, I don't think anyone joins. A lot of people at least don't join ITS just because they can make some money. They realize that there will be some skill enhancement. They will get to work in a corporate environment from where they can absorb something, a civil experience. So it's not just money. They do.
One is which I perceive. Another is which the company sells. There are companies which say that we can provide you lifelong employability.
Sure.
That is where HR can come in.
And I personally see that you people, are actually the partners, and what they call it is, like marriage is the chief cause of divorce. Similarly, recruitment is the cause of attrition. So considering that, means to me that is how I take it. So if the recruitment process is that robust, you definitely will have a control on attrition as well.
Right.
And I think you are the starting point. You are the ones who actually are the face to that organization in a way. When you start interacting with the candidate. And so that I think I completely agree with you the fact that you have to speak the same language. Means it's the first point of contact from your side that you establish with the candidate. And I have personally seen in my previous organizations and in CPA that wherever that engagement has been powerful, the hits have been more. Now I don't know whether it's a coincidence, but I have personally seen that, and that has been what people have been talking when we have recruited. That look, this consultant was a real partner to me because at each stage he helped me know where I was, and till the time I was in fact once I was in, even after that, this person was in touch with me to understand you know, how I'm feeling, and that I think is the honesty on the consultant side, that he's genuinely looking at about this candidate's health while he's in the organization. So I think that's very important, because your success is our success is your success. So
I think one thing more which we're looking at from your side is we are looking at some good stories in terms of growth.
exactly.
Because today Pramod, Prasin or Raman Roy is too big.
Yeah.
But what I'm saying is, if I know Pankaj has grown with this company, I can take the story forward to my prospective other people. And then he sees a career path, then he sees a journey, then he sees growth. He may not stick, that's a different issue.
Yeah.
But at least we have those stories coming from your side.
Yeah.
That's very critical for us to look at prospective candidates.
Yeah.
Which is very critical. And that's what information we look at when we look at possible partners.
Aditya, you have something to say. Aditya, Gen Y. Okay, 6 months is long service.
No.
I saw you. He said Aditya is Gen Y. 6 months is long service for him. So, you were smiling, so I said you have something to say. No, in fact, Pankaj, you may want to revisit that marriage statement. Because again, the new generation saying we're married 2 years. That's a long time. Be married for keeps. I think we can take one more question. I think we're running out of time. So one more question.
I just had a question from the panel, and I just wanted to know what will be the impact of the US economy going down? It's still not recovered from the recession, and you keep on seeing news articles on they're planning to tax companies who will outsource. That's one. And second, India as a country, because of the salaries growing, the different